Joanna Conde again with AI for Seniors. And this time we're going to be talking about how to get ChatGPT on your phone, whether it's an Android like Samsung or whether it's an iPhone. And so when we start today, the first thing I'm going to do is to share my screen. And these are the instructions. Okay, instructions for installing GPT on your Android or iPhone. And if you already have a ChatGPT account, have your login information handy. If you don't have a ChatGPT account, you can create one free after you've got it on your phone and ask questions until you see a message that will ask you to create an account. So it's pretty simple. All of this is pretty simple. So here we go. How to install ChatGPT on Android. Open the Google Play Store. Search for ChatGPT by OpenAI. Tap Install. And then after it's installed, you can either create an account or you can sign in. Usually it comes up with just, hello, can I help you? What can I do for you? Ask a question. So anyway, this is what the screens should look like on your phone. OpenAI, install. It'll look installed and you'll get this cute little insignia down here. On mine, it's white with black. And then ChatGPT, how can I assist you today? Or ask me anything. If you are using an iPhone, you open the App Store, you search for ChatGPT by OpenAI, you tap and get and install the app, and then again, you sign in or you create an account. And your screen should look something like this, which is very similar to the one above, except for the first one. So once you have it installed, then you can start asking questions. Some of the questions could be, how secure is ChatGPT? What does ChatGPT stand for? That's a good question. How does chat work? Is the ChatGPT on my computer connected to my phone? So I'm going to go into my chat on my computer and let you see how fast your responses can be, but you can type those in at the same time on your phone. So here we go. Let me do another minute. New share. And I'm going into, where should we begin? See, it keeps asking different questions. Ask anything. So here's a good question. What does GPT stand for? And that's how does it work? Okay. Another good question again is, how does ChatGPT, how does it differ from Google? So you can get things that look like that. May not look the same on your phone as it does on my screen, but you can get an understanding of what the difference is. Now here's another thing that you can ask it. I use chat all the time, and I often use it, I must admit, when I'm watching football games or I'm watching TV programs, and I go, who is that actor? Or this is the name of the actor. What else did he appear in or she appear in? That's one. Or when I'm watching football, if I see a great play by somebody and I go, I have no idea who that person is. I have his number and I say, oh, who is number 8 on the Buffalo Bills team, for example? And it will tell me right then as I'm watching the game. And I can follow up with other questions. So I can use it in some ways the same way as Google, but it's much faster and much more detailed. So anyway, that's this episode for now. I realize it's just basic, and we'll go into deeper subjects later. So thank you for tuning in. I'm going to stop my share. Again, it's Joanna Conde, AI for Seniors, and we're focusing right now on ChatGPT. So I hope you turn in again, and thank you very much for being here.